Hello, it's Gregory. I've just got a short video about finishing your assignments. So once you have your draft, just go over it and check that you have introduced your topic and that you have introduced your topic in relation to the tasks that are set in the assignment guideline. In most cases, your introduction will be 1 to 2 paragraphs, and each paragraph will be around 150 to 200 words. And in those first couple of paragraphs, you'll also have something to show your main readings and references that you'll be using in the report. So for example, some of the definitions of the key terms and some of the key concepts in the report. In the case of IMW, it's the main theories and models for analysing the structure and culture of organisations. So we studied some of those in weeks 1 to 3, and they're in the textbook, of which one of the chapters has been circulated. So make sure that you make reference to the materials that are on the task description and on the module descriptor. And make sure also that you try to use the terms that we used in our module so that it aligns with the module as taught at UWTSD rather than some other kind of stuff that you found randomly on the internet, which some internet sources can be useful, but unfortunately there are a lot of them which are adopting different language or different references, and we would like you to use the references that we've been using in our module. And the way to do that is using the Harvard style for UWTSD, and you would enter an in-text citation, as it's called, with an author's name, surname and year, date in brackets, in parentheses in the text, and then for each one of those there will be a corresponding reference list entry at the end of your piece. It's a good idea to get your piece read through by another English speaker, even if it's not someone who's a business expert, just someone who could comment on whether your work is coherent and whether they understand the language that you're using. If they don't understand the language you're using, it might be either that the tone is not correct, or that you've aimed it at someone who uses English differently than you do, or it may be that it's taken inappropriately from someone who uses English differently to you do. So I think it's a good idea to have a peer to read your work, and they can usually tell whether it's aimed at someone who has studied this subject. That's someone in your same cohort. I hope some of these tips have been useful. It's just a short video, and as always, I welcome your comments. If you have any comments that you'll find something you'd like me to mention in a future video. Okay, bye.